Hello guys, went to 3 free cases on RainGG in this year. This is the real deal. Use the RainGG promo code LEPAJEE and unlock free rewards instantly. No deposit required. Whether you are looking for free skins or just testing the site, this bonus gives you a major head start. How to use the code LEPAJEE? Click on deposit and here on referral code enter the promo code LEPAJEE and click apply here. Get the 3 free cases instantly and open them for a chance at high tier skins. These cases include chance to win CS2 skins, CSGO skins and huge payouts. Don't miss the limited time RainGG free bonus. Claim your now. Thanks for watching this video and see ya.